Integration in logical learning.
Interior of the Earth for class 7, 8 and 9 as per ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal Board curriculum. Introduction to the interior of the Earth. From a very early age, we all people are curious about the interior of the Earth. Detailed scientific research reveals about the layering of the Earth's interior. Various sources like earthquake, seismic waves, volcanism helps us to find out about the mystery of Earth's interior. The layer of the Earth comprises of a solid crust, a viscous or sticky mantle, a liquid outer core, a solid inner core. Sources of Earth's interior. Volcanic eruption. Volcanoes erupt hot molten magma from the inside of the Earth. The earth eruption from the Earth's interior on the surface helps us to know about the temperature inside and also the materials constituting the Earth's interior. Hot spring. When underground water is heated up under the influence of hot magma and when it rises above the Earth's surface due to interior pressure is known as hot springs. Thus, hot springs also gives us information from the Earth's interior. Example, Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Bakreshwar in West Bengal are one of the two famous hot springs in India. Earthquake is the another sources to know about what's hidden inside our earth. When an earthquake occurs, severe tremors sent out by seismic waves. These seismic waves are also known as electromagnetic waves. The seismic waves helps to know about the density of the Earth's inside. There are three types of seismic waves: primary waves, secondary waves and surface waves. The change in the speed of the seismic waves at different levels inside the Earth tells us about the varying density of the Earth's interior, that whether the layer is solid, liquid or molten. Structure of the Earth's interior. Crust, the outermost layer of the Earth known as lithosphere. The meaning of the term lithosphere is rocks or stone. The crust is made up of important minerals like silica, magnesium and aluminium. The crust is mandatory as it has a layer of soil which helps in plant growth. The average thickness is about 60 km. The crust is subdivided in two layers: Seal, continental crust and Sima, oceanic crust. Now let's see what is the difference between Seal and Sima. Seal is the upper layer of the crust and Sima is the lower layer of the crust. Seal is the continental crust and Sima is the oceanic crust. The thickness of the Seal's layer is 25 to 30 km thick, and other side the Sima's layer is more than 30 km thick. The average density of Seal is 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter and the average density of Sima is about 3.0 gram per cubic centimeter to 3.3 gram per cubic centimeter. Seal mainly formed of granitic rocks and Sima mainly formed of basaltic rocks. Seal is the lighter in color and Sima is the darker in color. Mantle. Mantle is the layer lies between crust and core. The average thickness is about 2900 km. The average density of this layer lies between 3 gram per cubic centimeter to 5 gram per cubic centimeter. The temperature lies between 800 degrees C to 2500 degrees C. The layer is made up of silica, chromium, iron, magnesium, nickel, etc. It is viscous or sticky in nature. The mantle is subdivided into two layers. First, chrophesima, upper mantle. It is made up of chromium, ferrous, silica and magnesium. And second is nephesima, the lower mantle. It is made up of nickel, ferrous, silica and magnesium. Core. Core is the innermost part of the Earth's interior. The average thickness of the layer varies between 2900 km to 5000 km. And the average density of the layer is about 5.5 to 150 gram per cube centimeter. It is the densest layer. The average temperature of the layer is 5500 degrees C. The layer is made up of nickel and iron. The Earth's electromagnetic field is this layer. The core is divided into two layers. First, outer core. It is liquid in nature, and second is inner core. The inner core is called Nephe as it is made up of nickel and ferrous. It is solid in nature. Now we will discuss what is discontinuity. Discontinuity is a surface of separation between two layers of rocks which varies in composition and density. Here is the chart of name of the discontinuity and their location. One is Conard discontinuity in between Sial and Sima. 2. Moho or Mohorovic discontinuity in between crust and mantle. 3. Rapiti discontinuity in between upper and lower mantle. 4. Gutenberg discontinuity in between core and mantle. 5. Lyman discontinuity in between outer and inner core.